Hola, afroexpats, back again. We're on our way to our waterfall, and on the way there they have miles and miles and miles of sugarcane fields, and apparently this sugarcane fields are supplying all of the sugar that Coca-Cola company uses in all of Mexico. So that was really interesting to learn. We passed by the factory that produces all the sugar that is used for the Coca-Cola products, and it's just such a beautiful, quiet, peaceful scenery behind me. We made a pit stop at this little tienda and tiny stand where they're selling some food. My husband just got a cup of soup. He's been talking about soup since we got here, even though it's really hot, but I hope he fares well with that. But yeah, I'm gonna step out here so you can see our country road. Okay, so this is where we are traveling here. Not much going on out here. I could actually stay out here for just a couple days, not forever, but it's so peaceful, beautiful. That's our tour van. I want one of those. We cannot drive through this because they don't want to get stuck in the van, so everyone's kind of like hesitant. I am ready. You ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
There's our van that will not be making it through the mud slide. Okay, so we are walking in the mud because our van could not make it. Is that soft? Okay, cool. All right, we just got some walking sticks. Alrighty. There's our tour guide, Leon.
We made it to the first day.
Yes, I'm so glad I have these water shoes.
Right, Mom?
Yep. This is it. Yes, let me clean my feet.
Step in the water, honey, and clean your shoes.
I am.
Hey, what's going on,
I'm
baby?
going in the pool.
Yeah, baby.
Oh, so
So we're on our walk here, going towards the waterfalls, and apparently they have snakes as well, so we have to, I have my little stick that I'm kind of swatting the grass in front of me. So today is a true adventure, and we're waiting for Miguel to catch up. Come on, Miguel. Let's do this. I'm having fun. I don't know about anyone else.
I think this is where we stop.
Sure.
There used to be a wooden bridge, but now it's broken.
No, se llevó.
Oh my gosh. It's so beautiful, but because of the rainy season, yay, rain, we can't swim. There's apparently, in the non-rainy season, there's a pool or something that we can get into. There used to be some kind of bridge or rope that's been washed away, so I'm just chilling. I'm like, let them be the adventurous ones. I got over in this little pool right here. I put my... Woo! Tootsie Rolls in, and that about it. I don't know where the hell my husband thinks he's going. Okay. Yeah, I don't know if that's a hi or a bye. It could be a bye. It's not even funny. But anyway, Micah and I are just chilling, right, buddy? We're sitting this one out on the sidelines. I feel like, well, I was really hot and now I'm not because I got my feet wet. Either way, it's really beautiful. There's like a cave over here. Not a cave we can go into. Yeah, she's smart. She's chilling too. I think that's the wife or girlfriend of the guy that's in. So all the guys are in except me, Micah, and this young lady over here. But I'm going to show you the waterfall. Basically, we are sitting here waiting for these guys to finish doing what they're doing. And yeah, they're really looking for adventure today. Okay, this is looking pretty, a little bit forceful, but the water's kind of a greenish color. It's pretty.